want to access some application which, like, let's say photo editing app, which wants to read the photos from my Facebook or Instagram profile and then wants to edit it. So first, when I try to access it, it will say, okay, can you go and get the access? So it will redirect me to the authorization server. And this server could be like, one of the server which is hosted by Facebook in this case. Now Facebook is going to obviously ask me username and password. Once I give them, it will issue an authorization code. Now my client application, this is a very key item here. Once the client application gets the authorization code, it's going to get the issuer token. It will exchange the token. We'll talk more about like what these tokens are and what are the different types of token later on in this session. But right now, once you get the authorization code, it exchanges for the access token. And now